Hey guys, this is Chemo, or Car Has, here video for you on the new Ibeats. I just picked them up. Well, they're not really that new, but yeah, I got them new. I got the white ones, as you can see, with the control talk. They're not as expensive as the Tours though, which is why I kind of got them, but I heard they sound as nice. They're there. Alright, in the back here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I don't know. Here I have it. It says it's got Dr. Dre right there. It has a couple of the controls, what they do and what they do on the BlackBerry. Signature on the bottom. Some information on properly diverse, delivery, deep bass, ultra clear, mid-range, and clean, crisp highs. You know, just kind of some stuff to make you want to buy it. So yeah, let's get to open it. So you open it, firstly you've got this big Sound Matters right there. Like they put a little insert there and they said really, so sound really matters. And then got the little Beats flap there, you open it, and that's where you find a whole bunch of different earbuds. Oops, dropped them. Yeah, a whole bunch of different earbuds. There's some really fancy ones here. Clip. And these are the Beats themselves. So let me just open them up. Ooh. Well, let's put this on the side. See this right here says Beats on it. It's the case it comes in. It's got the little opening, kind of like metal thing. You got Beats on this side, and on this side it says Ibeats, shiny. And then manual. 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 Just put it all back. Notice that the packaging it comes in is actually kind of fuzzy, which is nice. Like right here. It's got like little fibers on them. Makes it all the more fun to open it. So then, open it. I dropped a couple earbuds. 1 second. Yeah. So right here, there, Beats. Really nice. And which side is it? The left side. Here you've got the control talk. Little tag here that says, "Thanks for your purchase. Because everyone's ears are different, make sure to try out all the different sizes ear tips." Ear tips. So, I guess I'll open these up and give it a test run. You guys probably might not take my word for how good they sound on my ears, but just give you my opinion anyway. It says monster, and apparently this is gold tipped, so yeah, just in case that was something big. Already putting these on, I can't hear what's around me. Let's see how much they leak. It's on 100. All these are great. You can hear everything, especially the bass. Boom, boom, boom. Give you an example of how loud they are out of my ear. Work out. Yeah, so I guess that's all I've gotta mention on these. You know what? Hit subscribe, like, comment, do whatever. Alright.